Hi everybody, hope everybody's doing good today. Today we're going to be doing a collab with Home Sweet Holmes. It's chocolate and bacon. And by the way, happy Friday the 13th. And here's what we're going to be making. We're going to be making a German chocolate cake with bacon. Alright, we'll have some coconut there, some bacon, buttermilk, some oil, 3 eggs, some chocolate frosting, and a German chocolate cake mix. There's our 3 eggs. Alrighty, let's get started. Alrighty, we just followed the directions on the cake mix there, except for we did put buttermilk in instead of the water. And also we added 1 pack of coconut. There, we're adding the buttermilk. We had never combined this stuff together before like this, but it had a pleasant surprise. We all liked it. There's our bacon. We're going to chop that up. And once again, you just however you want to chop up your bacon. If you want to leave whole pieces, that's up to you. Just make this recipe your own. Alrighty, what we're going to do, half the cake we're going to have German chocolate icing. The other half, milk chocolate icing. Sorry, this is not low carb. As you can tell there, I'm definitely not no professional. Carolyn, she cooks all throughout the week there. Dan gets to cook a little bit. Weekends is the chance I get to cook some there. We all 3 love to cook. We all 3 love to eat. After I finally get the icing spread on the cake here, we'll sprinkle it with some bacon. And finally coming up here is the star of the show, the bacon. Sprinkling that there on top. It did turn out pretty good, folks. Listen, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification there. And I'd like to thank Sarah again, Home Sweet Homes, for inviting us to do this collab with her. And I can't wait to see everything that everybody else has done. You all have a blessed day. Thank you again.